Welcome back. In this video, we are going to cover the concept of break and continue statement in Python. As you understand the concept of loop, suppose if you want to come out of the loop whenever you need it, how you are going to do that? Suppose if you want to skip one iteration in the loop, how you are going to do that? These two things you are going to understand in this class. It's very important. Most of the times we are going to use this concept in whenever you are developing complex logics. Means whenever you are doing coding, these concepts are very important. Now coming to the concept of break. Break means whenever you execute the break statement, the execution come out of the loop. Let's try to understand how we are going to use it with an example. See, this is for I in range of 1, 8. This loop is going to execute for values 1, 2, 3 up to 7. So the body of the loop, these 3 lines of code belongs to the body of the loop. Why you know? We followed indentation. And what we have written inside this body of the loop? If I modulus 5 equal to 0, means I is a number. If it is divisible by 5, modulus 5 means it is going to give you remainder value. If I mod 5 is 0, 0 equal to 0, true, otherwise it is false. If the number is divisible by 5, then go inside the if statement. That's why again indentation follows here. Most of them will get confused. So indentation, if statement has to follow indentation. This is body of if. Whenever this condition is true, break statement is going to execute. Means it will come out of the loop. Let's try to understand this example. We'll analyze the example. For I is equal to 1, go inside, execute the body of the loop. 1 modulus 5 equal to 0. No, false. Don't go inside the if statement because condition is false. Execute print I. 1 is going to be displayed. Next, I is equal to 2. 2 modulus 5 not equal to 0. So 2 is going to display. Don't go inside the if statement because condition is false. Next, I is equal to 3. 3 modulus 5 not equal to 0. So come out of if condition, print I. Next, I is equal to 4. 4 modulus 5 not equal to 0. Again 4 is going to be displayed. Next value is 5. 5 modulus 5 equal to 0. The condition is true. Go inside and execute the statement. What is the statement we got? Break statement. Whenever you encountered break statement, come out of the loop. Execution jumps from here to out of the loop. What is the code that present out of the loop? Print end of loop. So this is the output you are going to be displayed. What are the values you are going to get? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how break statement is going to be executed. It will come out of the loop. Now coming to the continue statement. Suppose if you want to skip a loop, skip an iteration in the loop, then we are going to use continue statement. Whatever the code we have written here, the same code we use it for break statement. That's why we are not again explaining the code. See, let's try to understand how this is going to execute. For I is equal to 1, 1 modulus 5 equal to 0. No, it is not equal to 0. Don't go inside the if statement. Display I, print I. It is going to display 1. Next, I is equal to 2. 2 modulus 5 not equal to 0. So display 2. Next, I is equal to 3. 3 modulus 5 not equal to 0. So display 3. 4. Next, I is equal to 4. 4 modulus 5 not equal to 0. Display 4. Next, I is equal to 5. 5 modulus 5 equal to 0. Means it will go inside the if statement. It is going to execute the continue. Continue means present iteration has to be skipped. Don't continue with the remaining code. Skip the present iteration. Continue with the next iteration. What is the next iteration? I is equal to 6. 6 modulus 5 not equal to 0. So 6 is displayed. Next iteration 7. 7 modulus 5 not equal to 0. So 7. So this is the output you are going to get when you use continue statement. This is how continue statement, if you want to skip a iteration in the loop, we use continue statement. Hope you got good clarity about break and continue statement. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.